Enter Sandman. That was a mistake, and not very mystical of me. Interplanetary light beings of the third dimension. The quality of light, together with the gravitational capacity of each star, denotes the quality of physical and ethereal beings that these engender. After the ether lost its brilliance, the source of radiant essence, together with the crystalline fire devas, or otherwise known as the seraphim, archangels, who are the most advanced and powerful beings of light, have covered the three-dimensional plane with stellar light. They use molecular hydrogen gas clouds to produce light. By a specific psychic process, they compress them, using immense centrifugal and extrasensory forces. These powerful forces increase the magnetic fields of the cloud. Such fields amplify the speed of particles charged with spiritual brightness, which stimulate high-density solar winds that dance within this gaseous constituent. In this way, the gas clouds are forced to collapse onto their own multidimensional central axis, causing the escape of tremendous radiation that envelops the circumvallating darkness. After the fictional dreamed time elapses, the devas of crystalline fire formed a denser and more opaque core than the one brought about by radiation, forcing the temperature to increase rapidly. Finally, they forced the floating matter to collapse into its core and embedded a kind of superintelligent soul into it. Such a reaction forced the production of ultra-atomic radiation. This is how light came to exist in the third dimension, and this is how stars were made after the ether lost its brightness and became luminiferous. The spawn of darkness, on the other hand, takes advantage of the advanced spiritual growth of the soul of the stars, and when they are ready to break free, before they are replaced, they drive them to explode into dense black energy vortices, where the interior mass is high enough to generate an extreme gravitational field from which no particle, not even light, can escape. This extreme gravity force is caused by a bending in space and time. The occurrence and geometry of a dark vortex in the fourth dimension is changing and elusive, whereas when it was in the third dimension, they are quasi-spherical. We know that the fourth and third dimensions are superimposed over each other, and on many occasions, they re-emerge one inside the other through these vortices. My dear, esteemed, most noble, honorable, and notable viewer, stay along for the ride. Hit the subscribe button. Leave this video a thumbs up. It helps spread the message. But we'll continue on with further information disseminations from the Ombanda New Earth Ashram for compassion, strength, and the birth of black three-dimensional vortexes. Stay tuned. Namaste. Namaskaram.